Yeah. Come in. Donkey!
You know how fucked up that'd be.
What do you want, donkey? You're getting really annoying, donkey. What the fuck, donkey? What the hell's Fiona, donkey? Bloody Olga! Get out of my swamp, donkey! Donkey, get out of my swamp, donkey! Bloody Olga! Bloody Olga, it's a donkey! Get out of my swamp, donkey! Get out! Get out of my swamp! You're choking, donkey! Can't breathe, don't you, donkey? When they come over for dinner later, donkey. Yeah, donkey.
Oh shit.
Fuck you, donkey. Get the donkey dick, donkey, don't ya? I don't even touch it. Oh no. Donkey. Ooh, bloody Olga!
Look. Come on. When when Fiona was having the babies, right? She was like, "Ooh, bloody Olga!"
Ew, bloody Olga!
Bloody Olga!
Bloody Olga! Blech.
Oh my God, Olga! They got a donkey.
Donkey! Oh my God, donkey!
Alright, call me a donkey, bitch. You want Spartan?
Bloody Olga!
Did you have like a plastic cup?
No, but he does have a big dick, donkey.
Did I say I had a big dick?
Oh shit, I forgot to say. Donkey! I forgot to tell you, I had a big ass dick. Bloody Olga! What the fuck do you want, donkey? Waffles? Waffles.
Come on, what is this?
Throw it and you die.
A flying frog.
Bloody frog!
Say